everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to organize underneath my kitchen sink. So it's a little embarrassing how bad it was, but I'm excited to show you how it transformed. So yeah, let's get started.
I've had enough of this, our timeline's getting worn out.
So first thing I'm going to do is take everything out from underneath my sink and kind of just go through it. Some of the stuff was empty that apparently just got put back under, and some of it I just don't use anymore. So I decided to clean it out and organize it, and then get the bottom of the cupboard clean, because it looked like, I don't know what got spilled, but something nasty got spilled. So I just couldn't stand this anymore. It was driving me insane, which is why I am doing this video, because I need to organize it, and I thought, why not film it? So yeah, we're just gonna take everything out and go from there. So now it's clear, and look how nasty this is. I didn't know it was this bad, but I'm glad it's clean now, because it's disgusting. So I'm going to clean the bottom of it with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in Bluebell. I love that scent. And then a magic eraser. But you can tell that later I decided that I actually need just a rag or a washcloth, because there was something that was sticky and gunked. I don't know what spilled, but it was disgusting. So you'll see me get a rag to go with this too. Also, I wasn't originally planning on recording, so I apologize for my attire for this day, but honestly, when I'm home and I'm cleaning, I just want to be comfortable, and in all honesty, I'm probably not going to change my clothes just for a video, unless I think of it. I might, I don't know, but I'm sorry that I'm not wearing a bra on this. I didn't even think about it, but you know, that's real life for you. So I know this is totally random, but I'm thinking about filming a meal prep video for basically what I'm prepping for the week to come for myself and my family. I'm also getting ready to start the keto diet, so it would include some meals revolved around that. So let me know down below in the comments if you'd be interested in watching that, so I can film it if you are. But now that my cupboard's all clean, I'm going to go ahead and lay down this, what are these called? Paper? Sticky paper? I don't know the technical term for this. But I actually bought this when we first moved into this house for my cupboards. And so I just had this laying around, so I decided to use it instead of buying something different. So I'm just going to go ahead and, measure it and cut it, and then I'm just making 2 holes right now for the pipes, the water lines to fit through, and laying it down. This was actually a big pain in my rear end, mainly the sticky part. I think if I was to do this again, I just wouldn't bother with the sticky part. I would just set it down, make it easier on myself. I found this at Target. It's an under sink mat, and I thought it would be perfect for under my sink. So I'm just gonna. I did not realize how big this was when I bought it, so I ended up having to trim it. Which, I'm a terrible cutter. I never should have passed kindergarten with my cutting skills. Let's just put it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all laid out. And this was actually a little bit of a pain in the butt too, just because it didn't want to stay still, if that makes sense. But I actually really like how it turned out.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking.
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start putting my bins where I think I would like them, and then just kind of get an idea of how I like this setup. You'll see me play around a little bit. But everything I got container wise is from the Container Store, and I'll be sure to link everything I can down below in the description box, including under the sink mat that I got at Target. But yeah, so I'm just gonna play around, see how I like things, where they should go, and go from there. Now that I know where I wanted my containers, I'm just going to go ahead and start placing the things that I'm keeping in them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So I just got these food storage containers from the Container Store as well, and I'm going to use them to put my garbage disposal pods in one. And these ones I get from Grove Collaborative, and oh my god, they are amazing. If you haven't tried them, you should. I'll link them down below in the description box. But so I put those in one, and then in the other one I put my dish pods for my dishwasher. And I'm just showing you which ones I use, because usually I use the Cascade Platinum, which is my favorite, but I've been trying to find alternatives that are like more all natural, and I just found the Cascade now has the Pure line, and I was very shocked because they work really well. So if you haven't tried them, I totally would try them if I was you. So I decided I wanted to place a couple of command hooks on my door, like cabinet door, and I think I'm going to use one for my gloves, and then I'm thinking the other one I might use for like my hand towel, or I don't know for sure. So I'm just going to place those, and I know they're not really straight. I know. So don't come after me, because I know.
But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow.
The last overview of what it it looks like now that it's organized and put together. So I just made these with my computer, and I laminated them, and then I stuck them inside the drawer. But that way, you know, it just looks a little neater. But so I decided to put cleaning, like my cleaning rags, in this drawer. And then this drawer is my extra sponges, my SOS pads, and then that's just some of the things I couldn't fit. I have a vase back there, and then a pest, like for ants and spiders, it's back there. But I just kept like my wood cleaner, and then my, like, what are they called? Air fresheners. And then my kids, this is like for high chairs and kids' toys. And so I just kept that back there on the side for easy access. And then here I have my dishwasher pods as well as my garbage disposal pods. And then this guy right here has my like cleaning supplies. So I have my countertop spray that I like, and then my granite cleaner, my stainless steel cleaner, a little tight, Lysol spray. This is what I use for my cooktop, and then you know, floor cleaner. I really like this. It's amazing. And this is for if you have ants. Last year we had them really bad, so I bought that. And then my Method squirt and mop that I like to use sometimes, some disinfectant wipes, and then back there, like in there, I have, every year we make reindeer food for Christmas for the kids to put out on the front lawn, so I just kept that there for next year. But yeah, oh, and then this is where I'm keeping my gloves, and probably like I'll hang my towel or something there. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I hope everyone's having an amazing week. I'll be sure to link everything that I got from the Container Store down below in the description box. But until next time, thanks. Bye.